Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we are going to start the lesson number 18 and we will learn in lesson number 18 about muqatta'at letters. Okay, this lesson is very easy. Muqatta'at letters like Sod, Qaf, Noon. Definition is muqatta'at letters are found at the start of some surahs of the Holy Quran. Let me give you one example. Like this letter, Yasin. Okay, Yasin. This letter is separate. Like these are two letters, Ya and Sin. These are separate, right? And these letters are called muqatta'at letters. Now, let me give you one more example. You can see here, this is Noon, right? Noon. And this Noon is coming like starting of this surah. So these type words are called muqatta'at letters. So now let's go to start the lesson. How to read muqatta'at letters, I will tell you. So repeat after me. Sade, Qaf, Noon, Taha, Yasin, Tasin, Hamim. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Hamim. Ain Sin Qaf. I made ikhfa because this is seen and seen is ikhfa letter front of the noon sakin. So this is ikhfa. This is qaf front of the noon sakin. So this is ikhfa. That's why I made ikhfa. But if you can't make ikhfa in this letter, then you can read like this. Ain sin qaf. Okay, there are two ways. First one, I see cough. Second one, second form for reading this letter, I see cough. Okay, so now next letter, to si mim. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Mim Allah. First time, like when we will read these words combinedly, then we will combine the meme with lam. Mallahu. Okay. Alif lam mim Mallahu. Okay. Combine the meme with lam. Mallahu. How to read combine these words? Alif lam mim Allahu. Okay. Now, second way. Now we're going to read these words separately, like one by one. Alif Lam Mim Allahu. Okay. So next one. Kaf Ha Ya Ayn Sad. I made ikfa here because this is Noon Sakin, and there is ikfa letter front of the Noon Sakin, so that's why I made ikfa. If you like can't make ikfa during reading this for reading this letter, then you can read like Ain Sod. Both ways for reading are correct. Okay, so lesson 18 has been completed. Tomorrow inshallah we will read the lesson number 19. Remember me in your prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.